here. I'm tangled again.
Is it a video?
Yeah. Yeah, it's a video. I'm on a bumblebee. Look at that sexy bumblebee. Coming on the grasshopper with you.
The seat is so small. The butt seat is so small.
Yeah. Oh yeah, ride back and forth.
Ah, yo, it hit the ground.
Okay, we gotta go back.
This is working. I weigh it down so much. It's
No,
like,
it's not working. It like doesn't even move.
I know, it's like,
Look at us. Look how high we're going.
oh yeah, this is extreme right now. We can't put our feet on the feet rest because there's no room.
Oh yeah, it's so true.
Look at, show the ground.
Like this is so.
This is a failure and a half.
Gotta go on the bumblebee now. Look at me.
No, I want to sit on the back seat.
Okay, let's stand up.
No, I can't stand on this.
Yeah, come on, let's do it.
No, I'm gonna die.
Fine, then you sit down and I'll stand up.
I'm gonna weigh it down. Ready? No, look at how I'm sitting.
Let's go.
Ah, ow, I'm hitting the ground really. Wait, give me the camera. I'll show you how I am sitting. Look at this. Just stretched out.
No.
Like a pro kid. And that's how you do it.
No.
Apparently I look like Adele when I have my hair like this. Yeah, I feel so comfortable right now. This seat's bigger than the grasshopper one.
You're so fabulous.
Yeah.